So, so since from yesterday's onwards, we are discussing about the cloud ALM, cloud ALM here. So first of all, so why cloud ALM is required here? Why cloud ALM? So the cloud ALM, the technically it will enable customer to increase the mainly for the operational efficiency. So operational efficiency. So here why cloud ALM means here we will get the some corrective actions in the cloud ALM tool, in the cloud ALM console, web UI console. We will get the some corrective actions as well as we can also do some regular operational task here. It will help to minimize the means operational things. We can do that one here, and also customers to understand the health of their SAP business applications here. Maybe applications, users monitoring or jobs monitoring. So analysis, trending, business processing monitoring. It kind of health status. So it will enable to implement this kind of solutions here. In the central, just to log into the cloud ALM user interface, just in the Fiori Launchpad, Cloud ALM Launchpad. So you will get this one when you subscribe this Cloud ALM service here, right? Then open the application, then you will get like this here. So for this one, you will get the like this all the tiles you will get in the form of tiles. You will get all the Cloud ALM tiles you will get to the here. So these are the main capabilities of the Cloud ALM here. Business process monitoring. So, and also these are the main things here. Capabilities means these are the features are available in the Cloud ALM to monitor the business process monitorings, right? Exception integration monitoring, users monitoring, real user jobs, security analysis, health monitoring, events, operations, automations. So we have all these kind of things are available in the Cloud ALM tool here, right? So these are the processes are available in the Cloud ALM here. So to enable each and everything, we have some mandatory preparation activities. There is a STPI, STAP, STPA, STPI, and also there are some roles. All those things we required here, right? We have enabled in the transaction code. So once you then mandatory notes, we have to implement it. Then you will get the one transaction code is called the, so that is the ALM underscore setup transaction code you will get here. So in this transaction code, we need to provide the one destination. It will create the one HTTP destination. Then we have to maintain the one user to register at the target site, to push the data, all those things it will be carried out, right? So then we can activate all the use cases here. What are the use cases, the features, capabilities? What are the things currently which is available to automate things? So all those things are available here. All those things are automatically available here. So when you done this setup, when you done this integration with the Cloud ALM, your business suite systems or S4HANA systems, so there are the few jobs in SM37. There are the few jobs in SM37. It will be created. It will be created and it will start pushing the data from your on-premise to the Cloud ALM service here. It will start pushing the data to the or on-premise to this service here. See here the data. So here you can see the data is getting pushed into your Cloud ALM here, right? So your Cloud ALM here, data is getting pushed here. The jobs are running here. The jobs are running. The automatic jobs are running here. These are getting pushed into the Cloud ALM here, right? So all the jobs, you can see the jobs. So the controller job, this yesterday we have seen these jobs here. So these jobs will push the content, push the data to your systems here. So here we can, so once you integrate done, this will report to your Cloud ALM here. This will report to your Cloud ALM. It's not like that you don't need to install any additional components or nothing for the Cloud ALM. Just install some mandatory nodes which we discussed yesterday. Then we can enable the capabilities. Then those things we have to do that one here, right? Suppose here, So for each and every capabilities, each and every functionality, if you want to enable it, there is a setup and a configuration data is given here. Suppose let's see the real user monitoring here. What we can do here in the real user monitoring here. So the purpose of here is to so the user exceptions, the user related performance, wait times, all the times, so we can monitor in the here. All the times we can monitor in the our on the Cloud ALM dashboard here. What are the requests, inflow, exceptions, issues? So all those things, the percentage, all those analysis, it kind of analysis, so we can perform in the here. So right. So to enable this one, what we have to do here to perform this setup here, especially for the business suite systems, right? For business suite systems, what we have to do it here. So here the clear information here for the so business suite systems to for this type of issues, what we have to do. Same setup. Sometimes some capabilities we need to perform the some additional nodes we have to implement it. Otherwise, these are the mandatory nodes we have already done yesterday. So this was already done, setup, enable, task list, everything we have enabled, right? So we have enabled this one, that one. So let's go to the your Cloud ALM console here. This is the Cloud ALM console here, right? This is the Cloud ALM set. This is the sub account name. Then where you deployed this one. Then this is the Launchpad home page here. We got it here, right? This is the Cloud ALM home page here. So here in the operation field, you can see the here we have the so capabilities like so here we have the real user monitoring. Just click on the real user monitoring. Here you can see the what are the things we can monitor it here, right? So there is a some items it's displayed here, right? In the Cloud ALM also we can monitor it. So here in the right side top here we have the scope. In the scope, what are the components? What are the systems you are going to add in the list here? Here I have added the my Cloud ALM related BTP related service systems, and my on-premise systems also I have added here. I have added my on-premise systems also I have added in the list here, right? Above system ECP 100 I have added here, right? So and also you can see here. So what is the select the time frame? Select the time frame for the so for the display for displaying here the time frame, predefined time frames here. So we can display it here. Maybe I can say it like last 12 hours here, last 12 hours data I can see it here, right? So and also we can manage it here. Here whatever you want, we can perform the configurations also here. So the configurations and everything we can perform it in the systems also here. That's fine, right? So the values, aggregations, everything we can just settings. These all are the settings here. Just settings. These three tabs are settings here. So here let's go to the each and every system here. Just go to the each and every system here, and we'll see the so types of real types, users types here, exceptions here. So here I think this is the task provider. This is one of the tasks currently executing, one of the requests currently executing by the RFC users. So the only thing is we have only currently RFC users only we have here. So what I will do here, I will execute the one of the long running job in the system. So let's see in the dialog mode, I will execute the one of the long running job here, right? So here what I will do here, so here just number of parallel process I will make it 3. Okay, so I'm executing the live job now. So let's see in the dialog mode I am executing here. So for the S4 conversion purpose, just I'm trying to leave the empty for full sizing. Okay, we'll leave it empty for the full sizing here. Okay, so just click on the OK button. So then in the dialog mode, see here it is getting calculated, right? So it is getting, the report is getting calculated. So I'm executing with the, I think the same user I'm executing. So this is running. This will take a lot of time here. So here we can see, we can monitor it here. So there is a refresh button here. You can see the refresh here. So you want to refresh 1 minute, 2 minutes, anything. Maybe just you can put the 1 minute here, 1 minute refresh here. So 1 minute refresh here. So let's see here, out of here, anything will come into the picture or not. Like let's see here. Here, summary, status summary here. So here there is a status bar here in the status bar. So here's a 23% is very critical here. So let's go to this page here. Let's go to this page here. So what is exactly happening here? Red exceptions are 7. Rating. The rating also it is displayed here. The rating also it is displayed here. So here you can see that the clear information here. So what are the number of executions here? So okay, up to here, okay, fine. I think it's green now. Few minutes back, I have implemented the one note. That time onwards, coming green R. So what is this exactly? We can review it. What is this exactly here? Now let's go to the page here. So what's happening here? So where is the exact rate here? What is the action? What is the who is the user? How much CPU time? So bytes sent, bytes received, number of external calls. In the external calls, so what is the RFC? See here, so graphically, it is giving the more information here in the HTTP calls, local. So the graphically, it is giving the more information here. So all are okay here. The rating side, the only thing is here, so we have some exceptions here. The certificate untrusted exception, okay? Then what is this? Here, this is also certificate related exception here. Okay, everything is okay, but we have certificate related exceptions here. Certificate related exceptions. Why? Because our system certificate is not trusted one. So that is the reason it is giving that certificates related exception. It is giving the information. I think this information is very good here. What's exactly why this job and all the information. So it's giving the information here, right? So based on that, we can find out here, right? So let's go to the main page here. Let's go to the main page here. So let's go to the main page here. See whether we have only the tasks, any other tasks are displaying here. Okay, so what is the time frame? Last. Okay, what I will do, last 12 hours, I will take it out here, the data here, last 12 hours data. Okay, so here we can see all the information here. Just if you go to the left side here, these are the requests here, all right? Just you go to the analysis here. In the analysis here, it's giving the some information here. So what is the some information request, average milliseconds, number of executions, all the analysis here, right? So then the front end, in the front end load here, front end user time here. So what is the user type? All the information is giving here. Operating systems, web browser, and device types. So all the information, it is giving the information here, right? So it's giving the more information here. Real user monitoring. So what is the request type here? So real user monitoring means now our call is going to the SAP level here, I think, right? In the SAP level, we can see our call here. In the call, so let's see, if I go to the AL08, let's see how many sessions are initiated. Oh, so what is this? It's giving a different screen. Is it browser problem? Not GI problem, I guess. So it's giving the different screen.
Yeah, for me it's showing normal, but
Yeah, maybe I need to. Okay, that's fine. But let's see why AL08 is giving that error. Okay, browser mode, this mode I need to set here options. Settings. Okay, again, if I restart the browser, so it will come. Okay, let's leave it. That will not create any problem for us. So here it's giving the some information here, average response time, all the information, it is giving the information here, right? What are the backend here? What is in the backend? What is displaying here? So there is a graph, it is displayed here in the graph. If you open the graph, it is giving this information here. Okay, So in the request, is going to the request page here. The services here, what are the system services we have here? The cloud ALM, right? So the cloud ALM, what are the clients are available in the system? So what are the clients? Clients means what are the client systems which are connected here? So this is the one of the client system which is connected here, right? Execution flow here, the flow of the execution here. So let's check here. Okay, this all these things are configured. What is the time frame here? So maybe last 12 hour time frame, right? So maybe it will display the information. Then expensive statements here, expensive statements, expensive request here. So the real user monitoring is fine, but here semantic. So this is red executions. This is some reds. So maybe these are having some issues, I guess. Integration and synthetic monitoring. So these all are the some giving the some information. So request in the view here. So here this is giving the some information. Response time is very high here. So why this response time is very high? So undetermined startup here. So at what time? 9:47 here, execution time here. So here you see here each and everything who is the user action undetermined startup here. Each and everything it's giving the more information here. It's giving the more information in the cloud ALM here, right? Instead of that means the troubleshooting, I think it's minimized. The troubleshooting of the systems, it's minimized, I guess, here, right? So then the HTTP errors, is there any HTTP error or something, it will give the information here. This is about the real users, the monitoring here, the real user, the monitoring here. So apart from that, what we have here, I think we have, integration and acceptance.
But Ravi, in the real user model, we haven't selected any user, right? So how is calculating from the back?
System wide, it is displaying all those things. System wide, the request, all the request, I think it is showing here.
Let's say in the system I have multiple, like more than here you can see only the basic user. If you use more than if let's say my user present in the system, if there is how can I filter it?
I think here it will come. I think the request wise, all the information it will be populated. I guess systems, list of systems, and
so you mean to say, the base user is doing all the actions for the specific request, right?
Right.
Okay.
So here I think here the number of users. So here we can get some close guide, I guess. Here if we go more.
Is it like the system trace? You can say
System
trace. I mean to say that the user trace.
I think this is the one. It's when the trace level wise, right? I think.
Yeah.
And what other things we have apart from that? So jobs, okay, jobs monitoring. Let me check what are the jobs will be displayed here. The jobs monitoring, okay, total above jobs 24. So this exceptions, no open alerts, nothing. Just go to this tile. Let's see what are the jobs. Okay, so I think jobs are displaying here, the job names. So we have system jobs and ALM related jobs. So yeah, ALM related jobs, system jobs, all jobs are displayed here. It's displaying here. So here, what are all the things we are seeing here? So here application status is why it's no data. Okay. So execution status is green, startup and runtime is okay. Is there any open alerts? Nothing here. No open alerts here. So let me just check here. Okay. Any exceptions here? I think aborted jobs count is trending more. Web services, consumer services. Okay, let's open this one. What information will be displayed here? So here, so there are some errors. The collector performance alerts here. Okay, let's see. In the latest execution, there is a error here. So the error is with some keys not found. Okay. The error is last execution, not 30 days executions, and it's basically it's showing the trends. Basically, it is showing the trend here, trend information here. So could not find the stored procedure here. Okay, this is the DB level issue. Okay, got it. So you can see that the message as a SQL message number also here. So it's saying that, so it could not find so some authorization. It's kind of some authorization DB level information is not able to find out here. So let's go to the analysis tab. What and all the analysis we can find out from here. So there is a Fiori related one index calculation job here. So here the rating is not given here. The trends, and also let's go to any one of the job here. Let's see what information it will be displayed here. Okay. So 4th December, 4th December, 4th December, and 5th December. So then it is, the trend is high. It's a very high. So which means during the peak hours, I guess these are the peak hours, I guess. The status rating here, nothing is given. I think the job execution, total executions, I think job executions is giving here. Some trends is displaying. So some trends. So let me check the alerts, what the alerts information is giving here. What are the alerts critical? Is there any alerts? So nothing here. Nothing here. I think processor. I think we can, for this, when if any alert is generated, so I think sometime we have to enable it. If any alert generated, we can directly assign to the assignee. So directly we can assign to the assignee, so that that person can do the work here. So I think we have, so directly we can assign this alerts here.
But how can you set up the alert mode for this setup? Is there any specific?
No, yeah, not set up anything here alerts, but we have to check now currently. Are
Yeah.
there anything we have to enable? We have to enable it or not. But I have not set up anything. Just we implemented the notes.
Yes, just push that information.
Yeah, I think
Back
that is yeah, I think that is the information, I guess. So I think there is a alerts configuration. Maybe
Can you go back to notification management?
this one. This one.
No. The administration for the home, that the home one. Yes, and you can find the notification management.
This one.
No. In the SAP Cloud ALM for operations, second row. No, you are the same area, just in the second row.
This one.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. Yeah, notification management.
maybe
Yeah.
you need to maintain the users, I guess.
Yeah. That's something. Yeah, one user I maintained in the long
Here
back.
you can add it.
Okay. Long back I maintained the one user with my user with the Gmail ID I maintained. I think here.
But how can we maintain these users to the particular
group?
For the particular setup, like if any job fails, you need to take an alert, right? So how can you get this?
I think here we have to maintain. Then activation link will send to the notifier when the pending for validation and subscribe. Do you want to proceed? Yes. So I think there is a one notification I sent. I got it here. Let me check here. No, not received this one. I think email box configuration or something we have to do it here. No, SMTP server or something, somewhere we have to do this configuration here. Add recipients, extend the validity. Okay, let me add one more recipients here for the alerts. Save it. Okay, here it is pending for validation. So then extend the validity. Okay, this user validity, not the validity. So validity, okay, validity is there. So extend the validity. It can perform this only for verified status. Invitation sent successfully. So maybe I may get some information to my email ID, I guess. I think
until you get authenticated, then it shows the information here, I guess. It was sent to your Gmail ID.
Yeah, I got it. I got the notifications to the your email ID recipients. I got the notification actually. 2 notifications I got it here. So let me open. Yeah, I can see the Cloud ALM notifications. I got it here. So request is added. Then if you would like to see the notifications, please give the consent here. Okay, you have subscribed to the notification. I have subscribed to the notifications. It's quite interesting. Yes, my email ID I also verified here.
Already verified.
Yes, okay. Yes, it is verified. So then after that, so what we after that, let's see in the notification management. So we have done this setup. Okay, so then suppose if any alerts generated, suppose like example, let's go to the job monitoring. So no open alerts. So alerts are not received. If alerts received, then something we can do it, maybe assign to the process or something. So no open alerts here. So which means, so how can I
Can you
get
come
that?
Ravi, at the bottom of left panel, you can see I mean a letter symbol icon, right? The new notifications. Can we maintain no at the bottom?
Bot, no,
No,
no.
I think we need to maintain some. Yes, this is the thing, I guess. If any let's
Oh, okay.
might be I don't know because I didn't explore this.
Yeah, we have to.
But we're supposed to do an art.
Suppose,
Automatic notification.
yeah, automatic notification. The automation notification, how can I get this one? That is the one. So normally, if any notification, we should get it out. Maybe somewhere some mailbox configuration or something we have to maintain here. So that's what I'm checking here. Where we have to maintain that some mailbox, email ID, mailbox notifications we have to maintain. So that maybe I think we have to. So in alerting parts, there is a configuration actually in the alerting part. Okay, all those things I have selected. So here the configurations. So SAP job suite I have enabled. Settings, I think monitoring rules, ratings, all the settings we have to maintain, I guess here. So this one, initial configurations. Okay, we need to perform some settings here, some configurations. Application settings, retention time, retention period, data value, price.
This is housekeeping. Those are all the housekeeping.
Yeah, so alert status, alert rating is red aborted, then red. So yellow finished, then
Those are thresholds.
yeah, start delay 25 minutes. Then this one,
Those are threshold settings.
yeah, these all are the alerts threshold settings here. So okay.
Maybe we need to do it some other work area. Not in this time. Maybe it's some administration task.
Yeah, I'm checking that one also here. So jobs monitoring, that is fine. So jobs monitoring, okay. Then exception errors, trendings, aborted jobs. So we have 6 aborted jobs. So web services, what are the web services are active currently here? Web services here, unauthorized error. Okay, web services, we have some web services which are unauthorized. So we are getting some messages here, web services errors. So then we can fix it out. We can enable this web services in the SOA manager transaction code. So this is a analysis, I guess, some analysis we can do it from here. So what other things apart from that, this, so health monitoring, let's see what's there in the health monitoring. So just we are checking in the capability in this one, what each and everything, and we are just checking it, what are the things we can do it from here. So here, so we can add into the scope, we can add into the apply, we can add all those things into the scope here. Then the configurations here. So, okay, the each and every scope tile. So there is a respective scope is there to add the systems, and also here we have the configurations. So the configuration on the retention period configurations also, everything is available in the bottom here in the same screen here. So here let's see, let's go to this business suite systems here. So ECP is maintained here. The health status is here. Health status is 98% here. So here warnings are 179 metrics in here. So total one critical alert here. What is that critical alert here? So that one, okay. Above license, okay. 2 work process are in the hold status. So work process uses the 4 process. Number of users are 12 currently. So 12 users currently here. So 12 users are currently logged into the system here. So let me do some browser levels. I will initiate some browser level users here. So let's see whether the count will be increased or how much time it will take to refresh the screen. Let's see here. So because since we are using something we are using here, I'm using the different clients browser level screens to log into the SAP system to get immediately it is updating or it is taking some time or not. So I just logged into here. Then here 12 users got logged in. 12 sessions mainly opened. Let me open. Okay. 12 sessions. Let me create one more backend session here. Let me open the separate transaction code here. Okay. So I opened sessions here. So let's see, still we have 12. Maybe let me decrease the refresh interval to 1 minute here. Yeah, 13 count is there, but here.
I mean, the thing is that we need to decrease the time interval at the ALM underscore setup, not here, because it is a screen refresh. Those information will come from the backend, right, from the number of users.
But it will refresh automatically.
No, this is screen information. At the backend, SDF we made it right.
I think there
and there we can use cases.
Active use cases.
In there, we need to maintain the connection interval.
Connection intervals here. So in the minutes, okay, got it. So
See,
here,
if in health monitoring, it's showing for every 5 minutes. Maybe you could put a 1 minute, something like that.
Right. Here intervals, okay.
Yes, it's a data connection interval.
Yes, right. Then
now it pushes, now it shows the information after 1 minute. Because this kind of setup will play in solution manager.
Right. Right, I guess. Okay, that's fine. So yeah, it's kind of health monitoring. So okay. So for process above version, number ranges. Oh, number ranges also displaying short dumps. Certificates. One certificate is in the error. So ICM threads, ICMs. So same monitoring, gateway connections. Okay, all our gateway memory, pipes, blocks, all those information it is showing here. RFC ping time. Okay. So heap memory, extended memory, above queues. So then, all the OS file systems, somewhat just like it's a Amber. So then above process, like OS memory, almost useful. So then above process are running currently too. So batch jobs running, okay. So yeah, it's giving some useful information here in the screen. So
in the monitoring, it's showing, right? So if you click it, it's inside, it's showing the more details or just for this one?
Yeah. It's okay. Suppose if I take this one, it's giving the more information. What are the licenses here? Suppose if I go to above work process hold means It is giving the old work process related details here. So then if I go to the number of user sessions, it is giving the number of user sessions, all the information it is giving here. What are the users and all the information, it is giving the information here. So if you go to the here, the metric threshold, the threshold also is giving the information here. So then certificates. Certificates means it's giving the, so what is the certificates which are expired or what is the one error. So it's giving the some information here. All right. So some above system versions details here. So it's giving the information here. So threads, gateway. Yeah, it is going to the inside of the system also here. Not only display, maybe if I go to the extended memory, the memory details also it is showing here. Maybe history, if we go to the history also it is showing here. The history also it is showing here in the system here. So the history. Maybe let me take one year history. And I'm not sure it will show or not, but it's not showing 1 year. It's showing only few days. Yesterday only we have maybe. So OS file systems here. The file system information, it is showing the information. Suppose if I go to the history is showing here. Some history information is showing here. Okay. Yeah, it's showing some information here. Then what we have here left. So jobs. So real user exception into business process monitoring. Here I think we can monitor the BW chains, batch jobs, all those things. I think we can monitor it here. So some business process related things we can monitor it from here. So let me add the systems to the scope here. I think it's not coming. So in case if the data is not coming, something we are missing here. Which something we are missing means some setup and configuration side. So we are missing here. So select a business process monitoring. So here, so go to the setup and the configuration. Here, what we required here, right? For the business suite systems. So ST API is 01V731. Then, so enable the APIs, we have to enable it here. Then here, so what we have to do it here. So the something like some information we got it here. Some information we have to do the some information here. Suppose like business suite systems for the setup. For the setup, business suite systems. Here, what we have to do, same prerequisites we have to follow. Then required nodes, we have implemented these nodes. Then ALM setup. This all we have done it. We have done it, all these things. Next thing, push the data. Okay, that's them. So, okay. So we have to, something data is not displaying here. So what we have to do, we need to read the, we have to go for the capabilities portal here. Maybe we have to check the, is there any other setup or are we missing any, are we missing anything here or not? We can check it out here. So the security analysis, the security configuration, security analysis. So these all are, so I think it's there. Integration and exception monitoring. Let's check this one. So what is this integration and exception monitoring here? Integration, yeah, exception monitoring here. What the information is displaying here. So,
PM.
okay. Yeah, it's not displaying anything. Systems.
We don't have the PA component.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's completely possible to put the PA message on it.
One system displayed. Okay. Exception. Okay. We got the exceptions.
Message flow is not there, but exception it's showing.
Okay. Okay. Maybe only the errors or exceptions from all these things are showing, I guess. Yeah. Let's go to the system log. What are the errors here? The program reports security violations. Oh, there is a security violation in the system. Security violations. Okay. Correlation context here. Messenger ID. Okay. Some security violations here. So that's fine. There is a program, I guess. So it's displaying. Okay. Some information is displaying the mainly here. Then what are the things here? Tracking. What is in the tracking here? So systems tracking. You need to say. Just click on the go to advanced research. The alerts. Yeah. Only one thing is alerts are not generating to the here. Some specific configuration, I guess we have to do. So let's see that one. And also there is a notification management is okay. Operation automations here. So specific things we need to implement we need to perform the specific configurations here. Some flows, I flows, I guess. This is the I flows, operation flows. Some register the I flows here above. Okay. So this is the automation kind of things here. Some robotics, intelligent RPA chatbots and automation pilots and workflow management. So something we have to enable it in the system here. So something we have to enable in the systems so that that will be come to our part here. So it's not responding. There is specific configuration for the RPAs and intelligent RPA, automation pilots, some automation kind of things we have to do it. Okay, that kind of automation things we can monitor it from here also. Okay, got it. Business service management. What is this business service management here? So maybe service management, it kind of events calendaring.
It shows system availability. Ravi.
Yeah, that is the one I think.
It's kind of downtime management we have right in the work.
Maybe yeah, that is the one.
That's the thing it shows you. Yes.
It's a good thing, but to get this service management, go to the service management configuration. Okay, so then here we have to go to the configuration, edit the configuration, we have to add it. Okay, see here it's giving the information here. So to get this one, go to the configuration, expand the configuration, edit the configuration, we need to add it here. So where is that configuration here? This is not the configuration. Is this one? Yeah, this is the configuration.
Add active.
Add
It's downtime management.
Services. Service level reporting per month. Okay, let's see. Something like we can add it here. Technical systems. Okay, we can also add. Okay, got it. I think we have to perform the configuration. Super.
IT can adding into the IT calendar making.
Yeah. Okay.
The same thing, I guess.
Yeah, IT calendar. Cloud services. So we have these are the cloud services. We will add it here. Cloud means within the system, what are the services are there here? Then, so all the services, service level overview, services, basic information. Okay. Done. Okay. Event settings. So I think we have to enable it. I think this all these events. Status update, all these things we have to enable it. Maintenance, okay. So I think maintenance also we have to for the maybe during the maybe during the maintenance, if we enable the maintenance, I think alerts won't generate, I guess. That is the one thing.
So suppressing that.
Suppressing, yes, that's right. Yeah. It's very good features I see here. A lot of things are there.
Yeah, last project we had this kind of alert mechanism is there. If we down any application server, right? So we are not getting any service now incidents, like kind of.
Oh, in the Cloud ALM.
Not Cloud ALM, that
Okay.
solution manager.
Yeah, that's some Solomon IT. That's a
Yes.
IT.
Yeah. The blackouts you can call.
Okay. I think it may take time, I guess, to report here.
No, reporting. No, this is like it shows the our downtime environment. Like if a system is easy, is system down only, then it calculates to the environment.
Okay.
It's kind of downtime management. BSM is downtime management.
Okay. Yes.
System is up only, it shows.
Yeah, it's showing that, yes, right, calendar it is showing like this, calendar it is showing here, all the information. I go ECP, so it's showing that it's the main URL, this is the one, role is production, license number, everything is showing, okay, fine. Service level reporting here.
This is
Oh,
availability.
yeah, now it's showing clearly here, all the, excellent, what is being excellent? Acceptable, non-business hours.
No, 100% availability.
Okay, excellent means 100% availability.
Yeah.
So this is for something like the
It's it's a weekend, I guess. Second third is a weekend because we it's not business on
okay.
weekends.
These are the days, right? Okay.
Yes,
Days.
those are
Okay.
days, and
Okay,
those
this
are
is
the 100% SLA.
No, super. It's very good. Like even I have not explored these things in the solution manager. So it's here, it's like some interesting.
It's the same like the downtime management as well, work mode analysis.
Yes.
We have the same in the WM, we call it the work mode management, and the same scenario here.
Right. Okay. Now it's showing that 100%.
Yeah.
Normal operation. Yeah. Okay. I think specific things. So we have to do some specific configurations. I think in the each and every tile we have to go and we have to add the systems into the scope. Then once we add the systems into the scope, the time frame or some configurations, some alerts, these things are there. So we need to set this one so that it's giving the information here. Okay, that is the thing here, normal operations. That's good. And also for your some stored browser, what is this here? Okay, some changes, some settings, audit logs. Okay, audit logs related con some logs. Okay, security analysis and some configuration logs here. Okay, changes. What are the changes that happened? I think this is the one, I think. Search administration. Let's go to the administration part. We have the some errors. Okay, correct. Okay, so for your practice purpose, so there is a, this is available. If you have the S user ready, you can provision this one. Okay, so we can provision this one. These are the service delivery tickets management. I think here this is the administration, user management, users creation and everything. So this is the landscape management is for the adding the systems here in the landscape, same as like LMDB. So we have the LMDB, same as like here, we have the system status here. We can see it here, system status here, services and system status. We can add it to the here list of systems. We can add to the here. What are the system ID, role, so URL, user ID, client, all those things we can add it to the here. So business services here. So we have like we have enabled some business services. All those things are elements here. Okay. So then APIs. So SAP readiness check integration, maybe external conversion time. Let's check here. What is this here? Okay, external conversion, external upgrade here. Integration settings here. Okay. Here. So scenario. This is the scenario here. Some may be configuration. Some may we have to do some configuration, I guess. Okay. This is administration. This is the service delivery operations. These all are the implementation tasks, I guess. Some tasks, if you want to execute any tasks or thing, so we can implement it, I guess, here. Some tasks, some transports. Yeah, there is some transports also. We can move it from here. Set up task, assign the team members. So maybe this is the one, I think, or some tasks. Task assignment to the respective team members here. Team, PMO team, or whatever the team, some roles and responsibilities. Then team. So something assign the team members, some tasks we can do it from here. That is what I heard. Some tasks related information here. We can explore it more. What is this here? Documents or something. Okay. So SAP for there is some demo systems are available here. Some demo systems are available here, so that you can also demo tenant. So you have the demo systems are available here. In the demo systems, just you can go to the your demo landscape is available here. Demo access. Just if you open the Cloud ALM Launchpad here, this is the one more Launchpad. This is the demo, SAP demo Launchpad systems here. Same as like how we opened, here we will get the demo landscape here. Here, so you have the user IDs and passwords are available here. For tenant, for demo users, you have the user IDs and passwords are available here. So you have the some capabilities users. So we have available. So if you want to practice, you can go for this one. So you can also do the some practice also here, right? So if you want to explore more, so what I will do, let me check here whether it is possible to create the your users, maybe your users in the my tenant, my training Cloud ALM tenant or not. Let I will check it out. Okay. So if yes, then I will create it. You can access the my training or training Cloud ALM just console. Then you will get the all the files and features here. Anyhow, you have the access to our ECP system. Then you can explore more also, right? So this is exploring more. So you can use this demo tenant. This is the main URL. You can see it here. This is the main URL. Just you can refer this one. So a lot of things we can do it here. Lot of things I think. So presentations, no? So there is a many things. They have hybrid paper. There are many things here. But these are the capabilities which we can implement. We can see it in the as of now in the solution manager. Here, one thing I don't see in the EWA. Why? Because I heard that Cloud ALM is the replacement of the solution manager, right? So ALM. So then only remaining all these we can see job automation, mounting alerts, setups, all those things we can see it in the here in the portal. The only thing is EWA. EWA, I don't see where it is the EWA here.
It comes with the FRN, not here.
FRN, right? FRN.
It comes with only FRN.
FRN. Okay, okay. So then.
And also, one more thing in Solution Manager, we are monitoring the portal system and all, right?
Right,
so whether
right.
it is possible in through Cloud ALM?
I
No,
think
it's not possible. No, it's
Not
not
possible.
possible. No,
I
it's
think
only possible only from the FRN.
FRN, okay.
Yeah, only purely the technical monitoring, the application offers what was there in the solution manager, those are a part of FRN. The charm and the project management also, all this comes with the Cloud ALM.
Okay. I think here we can add the systems, I think, right? It's not possible, I guess. Somewhere I can see add the system somewhere.
No, by default it comes with the landscape management, and from there you do some system.
Okay, I think we have to add in the landscape management.
Yes.
Then it will come to the here, I guess.
Yes.
Right? In the case, I think, in this case, I think we can add Java portal systems also, right?
Yeah, we can push those information.
Okay. So what I will do, we have one portal system.
I think only the app environment is supporting, I guess. Not that.
Yeah. Let me explore that one. Why? Because I can see the URLs. I can see that this is also connecting to the above systems, also connecting to the main URL. So then Java systems also we have the URLs, right? So
maybe with the help of BTP connectors we can do this.
Okay, but let
HTTP connectivity.
Okay. Why? Because we are installing the one Java system here. For the I am installing the one. We are installing the one Java systems here. So let me check. Yeah, the MJD is installing. It's not still in progress. Once it is installed, what I will do, I will try to integrate this into the your ALM. So let's see whether it is possibility or not. Well, because we have the system, right? Then we can explore it. Let's see then. That we will confirm that one. I will confirm. Why? Because here we are adding the systems are there, managed systems. So then I think in the landscape management, we have to add all those things. Where is the home page? Home page. Launchpad. In the landscape management. Yeah, that is the first you have to add to the landscape management. So then services and systems, click on the add. new system, then SID, NJD. Just I'm giving the role is okay. Host and port, cloud connector ID. Okay. I think cloud connector. First of all, we have to integrate to the cloud connector, then cloud connector integration, then URL, system number, everything we have to give it, I think, right? Focus to run product. I think PI.
No, no, we need to go for SAP Cloud Connector. From there, it will pull the information.
Okay, got it. Okay, I think you can see here in the focus to run also above, and PI, process integration for Java also, we have the Java URL and system number, instance number, virtual host, system ID. Definitely cloud connector integration is required here.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. Okay. We'll do that one. I will check in the one system is installed. So I will explore this option. Let's see in the Java side, what are the options we will get it out here. So let's see that one. Support use cases here. So as of now, okay, yes, given the clear information here in the landscape tab. So this BPC is not configured, it's not there, obviously. Remaining all are configured. Then alerts management also, the runtime status is not configured. Why? So there is something we have, runtime status, something we have to do, that's not enabled. Notification management also not configured. So it's given the clear information, what is configured, what is active, what is not active here. All the information is given here, clearly giving the information. So first of all, we have to integrate the systems into the landscape management. Then we can add to the scope here, scope of the systems here. That is the main thing here. Okay. So, okay, let's see. Let's explore more on the cloud ALM side. Okay.
Yeah, sure.